Okay, so this is the next video. In the previous video, we calculated for the area of this circle. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate for circumference, okay? So as you can see here, there are two formulas for circumference, okay? The difference is here. This has 2r, while this only has d. Okay, now let me explain why. In our class, I mentioned that the diameter of a circle, okay, goes from one side to the other side, okay? So when it goes from one side to the other side, that's the diameter. When it's from the center point to this side, that is radius, okay? So if you notice clearly, this, okay, is a radius. This is another radius. So clearly a diameter is 2r, okay? Radius multiplied by 2, because a diameter is made up of 2 radii. Radii is the plural of radius, okay? It's made up of 2 radii. So this 2r, see, the 2r over here is this one. So if you multiply the radius by 2, you are going to get the diameter. That's the only difference. Now, why do we have two formulas? Because sometimes the problem will give you the radius. Sometimes the problem will give you a diameter. So, depending on what the given is, you choose which circumference formula you will use. Now, for this particular example, you will see that you are given the radius, okay? So 3 cm is the radius because it is a line from the center point to the end of the circle, to a point at the circumference of the circle, okay? So we are using this one. So again, start with the formula. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, okay? So let's substitute. Circumference is equal to 2. We know it's 2. That's the constant. And what is pi? 3.14. Okay, there it is. So I just brought down the 2. I brought down 3.14. And the radius is 3 cm. So as you can see, once I figured out what the formula is, all I need to do is to substitute the actual value. We know that pi is 3.14. There you go. We know the radius is 3 cm. There you go. Okay? So let's calculate. C is equal to, let me do this 2 first, 6.28 times 3 cm. C is equal to, okay, let me use my calculator, 6.28. You are welcome to use the calculator. Okay, 18.84 cm. Now, look at this. The unit is not squared. Okay, unit for circumference is not squared. Why? Because you do not see any square sign here. Okay, the square sign is only for area. Okay, so that's why for circumference, the unit is not squared. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. I hope that this helps you and that you can do all the level 1 problems, the first 3 questions of level 1. Okay, bye.